Hey guys, let's make some fenugreek hair growth tea. First you want to start off with 2 cups of distilled water. Put that in your pot and you're going to bring it to a boil. You're going to need whole fenugreek seeds, just like the ones I have here. This is what they look like and they smell like maple syrup. I'm going to be using about a 1/4 cup of these seeds and I'm going to pour them into a mason jar, just like this. On top of that, you're going to pour your boiling water and carefully give it a stir so you don't burn yourself. You're going to put a cap on it and you're going to leave this to sit for 8 to 24 hours so it can totally cool and infuse. After it's infused, you're going to go ahead and strain it off and you should be left with a cloudy liquid. Then you're going to add some aloe vera gel to your mix. I'm going to be adding about a 1/4 cup of this gel. And then I'm going to add some peppermint oil, a little bit of tea tree oil, just like so. And I'm going to give it a really good stir because the gel is thick. You can also use the liquid. It should look like this. Now I'm going to stir this in my fridge for a couple days and I'll freeze some for later. Hope you enjoy.